Hi everyone, this is the MAC Cosmetics Examiner, and today I have another review for you today. I will be discussing the MAC Très Chic collection that came out at the beginning of the month. There were a total of 6 blushes released in this collection, and I think that it's the perfect collection for spring. The colors are just beautiful, and as you can see, the colors of the blushes are actually showing up true to form on camera, so that's fantastic. The colors that I'm going to be talking to you about today, as in order, are Immortal Flower, Modern Mandarin, Full of Joy, and Peony Petal. They're really gorgeous shades. You can definitely build up the color, so let's just go ahead and get started one by one. Okay, so the first one is Immortal Flower, and as you can see, or perhaps you can't see, it's a satin finish. Now, when you put this on at first, it's very sheer. Okay, so you're definitely going to want to apply it. And if you're looking for a large buildup of color, then just start off with I would say, not a heavy hand, and then you can build it up. I mean, you can definitely... It is a satin finish, but it does go on rather sheer, but at the same time you can see the color. So if you want a lot of color on your face, you can definitely build up the color, but it does go on, for some reason in its application, it does go on very sheer, but you can definitely build it up and the color will show up. It just all depends on you and how much color you want to appear on your face. It's a beautiful color, and MAC describes that as a bright peach. And again, all of these blushes in this collection retail for $20. And this was the MAC Très Chic collection that came out at the beginning of the month. Now the next shade I'd like to discuss is Modern Mandarin. And as you can see, that really is a pretty orange red. And that's how MAC describes it. It describes it as a red-orange. And of course, I'll be showing you swatches. This is a really popular shade. There's so many popular shades actually in this collection, and I highly suggest that you go to your local MAC Cosmetics counter while you can to purchase these. Now, this Modern Mandarin is a beautiful shade. Now, you might be thinking, wow, that's really a bright color. You may be thinking, well, you don't really wear colors like that. But believe me, with any of these blushes, you can go for a sheer light application, or you can really pack on color. It really depends on you and what look you're going for. These colors will all look good on a variety of skin tones, on any skin tone. So definitely, like I said, go to your local MAC cosmetic store or counter at your department store, because you're not going to want to miss out on these. They are limited edition, and they're just really beautiful colors. Now, this also has a satin finish. Now, the next one I'm going to be talking to you about is Full of Joy, and this is a frost finish. And in the swatch, you're going to be able to see a little bit of sheen to it, and you can definitely tell that it's a frost. This is one of the most popular shades of the collection. It's a beautiful lavender color. I think that this color in particular is going to be a favorite with a lot of people. And then, last but not least, Peony Petal. And again, that is also a satin finish, and MAC just describes that as a bright blue pink. So Immortal Flower is a bright peach, Modern Mandarin is red-orange, Full of Joy is lavender, and Peony Petal is a bright blue pink. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to the swatches. And in order there, you can see that first bright peach color with the satin finish is Immortal Flower. Now, as you can see, it does look rather sheer, but if you want to build it up, you definitely can. I mean, this is a blush you can wear, and it's not... Let's put it this way. When you have it on, it's not going to look as though you don't have anything on, so if that's a concern, don't be concerned about that, because when you do apply it, you can see it. I'm just saying that it does go on rather sheer, but you can definitely add up the pigmentation with a heavier hand if that's what you're looking for. See, that second swatch there is Modern Mandarin, and it is rather red-orange. You can definitely tell, but you can sheer it out and applied with a light hand, it would look beautiful on any skin tone. And then the next swatch there is Full of Joy, and as you can see a bit of a sheen there. That's a frost finish, beautiful lilac lavender color. And then last is Peony Petal, which you can tell is a satin finish and a bright blue pink. Very pretty colors. I highly suggest you pick up these blushes if you have the opportunity. There are 2 others that were released in this collection. Again, they retail for $20, and again, this is the MAC Très Chic collection, which is a really cute name, I think. These colors are amazing for spring and summer, just really bright and vibrant and happy colors. So yeah, go ahead and check these out. Thank you so much for watching.